What can you do? Well, first of all, if you're looking at a company, you can look at the history of the company. Does the company have a history of vulnerabilities? Is there a way you can look at it and see if they've had vulnerabilities that have been discovered and have they fixed those vulnerabilities? Are there CVEs for these things? Now, you're never going to get a CVE for a SaaS vendor like Salesforce or Microsoft, but you can actually get a lot of information about those SaaS services, how they responded to vulnerabilities if you do that research. Now, the second thing is, can you get some sort of information about the company directly from the company? And the answer is yes. So today, if you're working with a small company, a small tech startup that's collecting data, it probably has a portal based on Drata or Vanta where they will probably tell you under NDA, or perhaps just they give this to customers under the customer portal, what their overall status is from a government, a GRC type of point of view, governance, regulation, compliance. And basically, it's sort of like a real-time uptime of how those companies are doing. Again, this is a great form of transparency. It doesn't really get into the weeds of how the company is really running their IT and their development and that sort of thing. But we'll talk about how you can get there in another way. Well, that other way is you can actually read the end user license agreement for whether that's the hardware component or the software cloud component of the thing that you're buying. There's a lot of chatter on Reddit. There's a lot of chatter